asphalt steaming under the gray, washing the dust of yesterday away. I feel the freshness in the biting wind, leaving the shadows of the past behind. The sky is heavy, the clouds are low, but there's a fire starting to grow. I'm standing steady in the pouring rain, letting the water drown out the pain. With a newfound vigor in every breath, I'm cheating silence, I'm cheating death. I'm waiting for a better day to bloom, to break the cycle, to clear the room. The coffee's bitter, but my mind is clear. The ghosts of midnight finally disappear. There's a heartbeat knocking on a brand new door, something I've never felt before. It's the spark of a new love, wild and free, crashing like waves on the shore of me. I don't need the sun to feel the light, I've got the power to win this fight. The storm is a rhythm, the thunder's a drum. I'm ready for whatever may come. I'm standing steady in the pouring rain, letting the water drown out the pain. With a newfound vigor in every breath, I'm cheating silence, I'm cheating death. I'm waiting for a better day to bloom, to break the cycle, to clear the room. A better day in the freshness of the rain. New love is calling my name. Yeah, I'm waiting now. The asphalt steaming under the gray, washing the dust of yesterday away. I feel the freshness in the biting wind, leaving the shadows of the past behind. The sky is heavy, the clouds are low, but there's a fire starting to grow. I'm standing steady in the pouring rain, letting the water drown out the pain. With a newfound vigor in every breath, I'm cheating silence, I'm cheating death. I'm waiting for a better day to bloom, to break the cycle, to clear the room. Ooh. The coffee's bitter, but my mind is clear. The ghosts of midnight finally disappear. There's a heartbeat knocking on